Hi, I'm Dr. Hiranmayi Jha, a plastic surgeon practicing at Eterna Vision and Aesthetic Clinic located at Shivalik, Malviya Nagar, South Delhi. And today I'm discussing about nose job or nose reshaping surgery known as rhinoplasty. Rhinoplasty is a surgical procedure done to enhance the facial harmony. It is a procedure in which we try to target breathing problems as well as the deformity which is there either due to trauma or has been there since birth. So what all things can be treated by a rhinoplasty surgery? A widened nasal bridge, enlarged size of the nose in order to achieve facial proportions, enlarged nostrils, or any crooked nose which has been there due to trauma or since birth. So today we are discussing rhinoplasty surgery here, and an important point which I want to highlight is not everyone's face is completely symmetrical, and this point is important because we cannot achieve 100% symmetry post surgery, as it is next to impossible, as well as it does not give you completely satisfactory results. So coming to the points about what all you need to know when you go for a consultation for your rhinoplasty surgery. You have to be aware about the desires that you have for your facial appearance as well as your breathing problems, if any, and has to be discussed with your plastic surgeon. Medical history completely needs to be evaluated, which should include any significant medical or surgical history as well as the history of any drug allergies if present. All the possible outcomes and potential complications need to be discussed in details. Coming to the point, who are the candidates for a rhinoplasty surgery? After your facial growth is complete, roughly at an age of 16 to 18 years of age, as well as otherwise healthy individual which has very less comorbidities or whatever coexisting illnesses are under control, and is a non-smoker, plus you have a realistic expectation about the outcomes of the surgery, are the ideal candidates for a rhinoplasty surgery. How should you prepare for your rhinoplasty surgery? You should take all the relevant medical records to your plastic surgeon, as well as some blood tests are required before you go for the surgery, as well as your imaging of the nose will be required by the surgeon. It is a general anesthesia surgery, can be done under daycare surgery. The duration of the surgery is 1.5 to 3 hours roughly, and you can go home the very next day. What are the types of rhinoplasty surgery, or basically what are the techniques by which the surgery is done? There are two types. One is the open method and the other is the closed method. Open method, there is a cut seen externally on your nostrils, and in the closed method, the cut is internally under the nostrils. And in both the methods, the scar is roughly invisible. Now, what are the precautions that you need to take post rhinoplasty surgery? So, there can be a splint which is there on your nose and it is removed after a period of 7 to 10 days. You need to be in a proper position, or your head is to be elevated so that it decreases the chances of bleeding. Some amount of congestion and a little bit of bleeding can be there from your nose, which is treated by giving some drops by your doctor. Then a few other things you have to take care of, like you have to avoid any jogging or strenuous exercises for a period of 3 to 4 weeks. Avoid blowing your nose. Brush your teeth gently, as well as try to avoid any sunglasses or eyeglasses for a period of at least 4 to 6 weeks in order to avoid any pressure on the nose. There can be some amount of swelling which can be there, and it gradually resolves, and sometimes it might take almost a year when the complete resolution occurs. So finally, I want to highlight that rhinoplasty surgery is a surgical procedure which addresses breathing problems as well as improves the overall appearance of your face by achieving facial harmony. I hope these videos have been able to clear your doubts and you have been able to get some light about the topics which are less talked about. So if you have any doubts regarding these, please write to us in the comment section below. And if you really like our videos, please like our videos and subscribe our channels to be updated about the future videos on cosmetic and plastic surgery. Thank you.